Hello everyone, my name is Gajanan. I am from Kolhapur. Recently I completed my graduation in computer science from Ferguson College, Pune. After completing my graduation, I don't have any knowledge about my career path. So me and my friend Aditya, we visited around 10 software training classes around in Pune. At last we came at a Qspiders, where counselors guide us through a complete course and complete path. So we joined for a Java full stack course. So basically, we started with Java and SQL, where Java taken by Tejas sir and SQL taken by Vikas sir. After completing a basic course, so in between my friend Aditya got placed in a Tech Mahindra. So after that, I started learning manual testing. So manual testing was taken by Kedarnath sir. So in between lecture, Kedarnath sir gave tricks and techniques to crack an interview. And in Qspiders, on the regular basis, there was a presentations and mocks. So through that, we got an idea about how will be our interview. We got a basic idea about our interview. And my package is 3.5 lakhs. Thank you.